Good morning, Brian with Grand Roofing. It is Saturday, August 30th. It is the Labor Day weekend, and we weren't supposed to work, but Thursday we kind of got rained out. We already had things committed on Friday, trying to get caught up on the brakes the other day. Got those in the second trailer all done, and I'm glad I did, because today ended up being not just a resheet, but 2-layer decking teardown. So I got the 16-foot Liberty trailer there. We tore off the layer of shingles, 1-layer tear off, got it all in there. Confirmed that yes, there is delamination and mold on the decking underside from prior to this homeowner buying the house. He went in and addressed some insulation, ventilation, stuff like that, but wanted both layers tore down. Well, I didn't know there's two. Wanted the decking tore down. At some point prior to them buying it, they decked over the old decking, which, whatever, I mean, just tear it down. It's not that big of a deal. So the Liberty trailer is completely full. I went back to the shop this morning to grab the 14-foot trailer, picked up a let's see, 90 sheets of 1/2-inch CDX plywood, 4-layer, 4-ply plywood. That's what the homeowner wanted on this one. I wrote this estimate a few months ago, kind of forgot some things. Apparently, this little suction cup fell off the window, so we're just going to hold it for a minute and continue on here. So, sorry about that. Got the decking there, got it backed in off to the side of the driveway so they can keep moving. We're able to pile up most of the wood onto the first trailer, the Liberty, stacking as good as we can to try to make sure we definitely do this in 2 layers, two loads of trash. So they left the bottom row on the back side, and then on the top, on the front and back, left a thin strip, a 2-foot strip, just so the rafters don't go flexing around everywhere. So don't ever strip both sides all the way down, leave something tying them in so they don't move. So they are actually starting to put wood down on the front right now. I went back to the shop because Reese is closed. Nowhere in town has split boots. We need 2 split boots, one for the riser, and we need one for a concentric vent pipe that he's got in the roof. So went back to the shop to get those, ordered some food because it is a holiday weekend. Want to make sure everybody's happy, you know, get them some food. So I ordered that, getting ready to pick that up here in a minute. I've got a few minutes. They told me it'd be a half hour. So we're gonna get the truck washed real quick, just keep the truck looking good, presentable, get the bugs off it because it's nasty. Grab the food, head back to the job. We're gonna film a little bit there, real quick, real brief, and then I'm hitting the road heading home because I wasn't supposed to work today. On the rainy days, I was still working, shop day, maintenance on the trailer, all that good stuff. So we'll be right back. We'll see some more of the job here in a minute. And if you like this style, vloggy style, kind of behind the scenes, let me know. These probably take the most work on top of the drone shots, editing the video and audio back together. This is just multiple cut up. You got to edit it, stitch them together. You got to render them out, upload it. So let me know if you like this style. Ooh, kind of spit a little bit there. And I'll try to do more of it. I'll try to shoot more of this, and maybe I'll just hire somebody to do the video editing side of it. I really need your feedback. Do you guys watch this? Do you want to know, see the behind the scenes type stuff? I'll try to do more of that. We'll see you here in a minute. All right, so we're back. We got the trailer I'm pulling back is my 16-foot Liberty trailer. It has got a little higher size than with the wood. We've got the 30-ish square or so of shingles, which is not a lot for the trailer, but when you have 2 layers of decking that we had to take off, and then all that stacked as flat as we can get into this one. There's my 14-footer. Brought the wood back to the job site. We're using, oops, sorry, coming around the wrong side of you. Actual plywood, not OSB. This customer wanted actual plywood, so this is 1/2-inch 4-ply CDX or plywood, so it's gonna hold up good. We got H-clips going in between it to space them. We'll run up to a real quick walkover. Just got done eating lunch, early lunch. I picked up some food for everybody. He had a lot on the bottoms rotting out everywhere, and keep in mind this is the original layer of decking. They decked over it with OSB. All the OSB was in first. You can see the OSB we used as side rails because we filled the bottom middle part of the trailer, worked up, and then we've got the other actual plywood that's bad going off into it. Got from this side all the way around decked already. So taking off the front, we don't want to peel off both sides at one time, because what can happen is your rafters will actually move. Well, this one has a center ridge beam down there. If it was trusses and you don't have that crossing over, they can sway, so you don't want to take off both sides. Got this one in and done. backside mostly down, but it's enough between this row missing and that top strip right there, keeping it together. But again, it does have that center beam going down, so it should not be an issue. They should not move. If it does, we'll just flex it a little bit. The homeowner has had a new furnace put in, so there's going to be a concentric coming out. That's going to be moved and relocated further over, so it's not going to be behind the chimney. He's replacing this one as well. He's doing that. Got split boots for the riser pole. Step over. And this will be the last side right here that we're working on. So just want to give a quick update of this. I'm not supposed to be working today. Taking the Liberty back to the shop, going to park it, be done. The plan is, because it is, as I said earlier, the start of this, August 30th, Saturday, August 30th, it's Labor Day weekend. Enjoy Sunday, Monday off with our families. And Tuesday, I'm going to start fresh by, should have a little room left in that to get the guys started tearing on a small job while I'm getting this dumped when the dump opens, and then get it relocated and kind of play leapfrog and catch up here. The weather Thursday kind of set us back. So if you got anything good out of this, you like this kind of content, seeing the job, on the job, give it a quick thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do my best to make more of that. Until next time, we'll see you then.